Hey Pete, Miedema Auctioneering here in West Michigan and Martin, Michigan. I'm here with Bernard from Bolthouse Bros Growers. We have a farm auction coming up here April 24th, this Saturday, with a lot of very nice equipment. Bernard, how long have you been farming this ground around here?
About 65, 70 years.
65 or 70 years. What was your favorite tractor?
Oh, this one here is the nicest driving.
Nicest driving?
Yeah, nicest one in the field.
You said you like the hydraulic, the electric hydraulics?
Electric hydraulic is easier than pulling levers.
Pulling levers, yep. So it's a 2010 model with 2,269 hours on it. That's original, right? Yep. Some of the other highlights right behind us here, that Case 9370's got 3,100 hours on it.
It's a good tractor too.
Yep.
If we like that so well, we got this one.
That's what made you buy this one. Nice. And then you have the 2013 John Deere S660 Combine. How long have you had that?
That was bought, I think, probably 10 years. Maybe.
10 years. And it's got 1,200 hours, I think, on it, and 818 separator hours. So really nice combine. So if you can, guys, join us on April 24th here. We'll be live in Martin, Michigan, or we have it on proxy bid or equipment facts. Thanks again for watching.